Welcome to Realtor Amy's channel. Today we are introducing the investment analysis tool we just released. You can find the URL link in the video description. You don't need to register and there is no cost for you to use it, it's free. At the top of the page there is Amy's contact information, and you can also click to visit Amy's homepage and check the latest data by interactive charts. This address bar allows you to enter the address of the house you want to analyze. On the left is a link to a video describing how to use it, available in Chinese and English. You can also search it. The address will eventually appear in your exported analysis report. On the left is the chart area and on the right is the settings. The chart area has 3 charts. The first chart is the rent, total expenses, and cash flow of each month for the next 10 years. The second chart is the value of your home for the next 10 years, the change in your equity and the loan balance. The third chart is the cash-on-cash return over the next 10 years. The charts change in real time based on the settings. In the settings area, the first one is the rent, where you can enter the monthly rent with the keyboard or the slider bar. Then, there is the price of the house and the loan information. Click on this dollar button to quickly set up a cash offer. Here the monthly fees are displayed. Then there are the costs associated with the rent. There are 2 columns of data showing the percentage relative to the rent and the exact amount. This area will automatically change when you change the rent. When the dollar sign is checked, the cost remains the same and the corresponding percentage changes. When the percentage is checked, the corresponding fee changes automatically. Here the monthly fees are displayed. Here are the fees associated with the house price, including the monthly insurance and property tax. In the property tax setting, the first one is the percentage relative to the house price. The latter is the exact amount. If you change either one, the other one will change accordingly. The fees associated with this loan. The percentage is relative to the amount of the loan. For example, if you change the home price to 125% down payment and take out a loan for 75, 1% of the fee is 0.75. And finally the increase rates in rent and home price for each of the next 10 years. You can also customize the changes. On the left is the change in rent. On the right is the change in the house price. You can change the trend by clicking on the corresponding point. After that you can apply the customized data to calculate the investment indicators. Then you can generate a table of specific investment indicators. There are common analysis indicators. Special attention is paid to the fact that the annual cash flow is shown here. This table does not change in real time according to the settings, and you need to click on the update button every time there is a change in the settings. Click on the export button to generate the report file. The address you entered will be displayed in the title. Then there are 3 analysis charts: the initial setup and the monthly costs for the first year. There is also a table of calculated investment indicators. If you find any unreasonable or incorrect data while using it, please send an email to Amy and we will change it in time. That's all for today. If you are buying a home in Dallas or need a customized data report for Texas real estate, please contact Amy at 214-609-6932. Thanks for watching.